It is not a kitchen. Back in my day we never went to a bar to meet women. We went to a kitchen. Hey babe, you smell that?
No.
Me neither. Start cooking. You see that? It's a kitchen. Now get the back in it.
The images or the memes that you just saw probably might have made you chuckle, if not laugh out loud at least, didn't it? If yes, this video is for you to change your mindset. If no, then this video is for you to share with as many people as you can to spread awareness towards this unraised issue. I have never shared anything personal, but here is a small incident which is very relevant to this video and an inspiration behind it too. My father was ill and my mother tested COVID positive last month. Our house was sealed and she was home quarantined. In those 14 days, I had to do all the household work and I realized how much we are ungrateful towards the unpaid work done by women. Just 14 days and I got sick and tired of this boring daily repetitive routine. Until last month, I wasn't once really grateful towards what my mother has been doing since years now. There is a quote which goes like this: "Housework is what a woman does that nobody notices unless she hasn't done it." True that some are fortunate to have maids and servants, but we are talking about majority here. Even if you are fortunate to afford all the liberties, in the absence of servants, you still have to take care of everything, right? Disparity between males and females in terms of salaries and job recognition is a worldwide issue. Women all around the world have to face this. So what exactly is this unpaid work by females? What can be done to recognize this? How does this affect the economy? What can the government do? And what can be our personal contributions? What are the possible way outs? Every time, we request you to share our video, but this time, we insist that you share this video with everyone out there. दिन भर घर में ही तो रहती हो, काम क्या करती हो? Exactly this is the problem of ignoring the hectic and repetitive work that women do on a daily basis in households. Unpaid work includes domestic services, unpaid care of children, and unpaid care of elders in the house that has to be taken care of daily, but every day we ignore that. This unpaid work contributes so much to the overall household well-being and collectively at higher levels, till national level, even though it has not really been recognized. It can be boring, it can restrict you from socializing, it carries no promotions, no retirement benefits, and sometimes any household work can come up anytime in 24 hours. Let's say if you have children or elders at home. This unrecognized and unpaid work by women creates a lot of gap in gender equality, as it's simply unfair. According to the Time Use Survey 2019, over 90% of Indian women participated in unpaid domestic work at home in 2019 compared to men who contributed up to just 27%. This is a highly disproportionate burden that women carry. Recognizing the unpaid jobs done by women in different forms, especially paying them, can be a solution, but it's not that easy as it has certain challenges too. Payment in monetary terms is a bit complex as it might create more of an employer and employee relationship between family members. Wages might create a notion that unpaid work is women's job, and since they are getting paid, they are employed, which might restrict their job opportunities in wider world. If government were to pay, the affordability and calculation could also be problematic. Imagine the cost of servants one would have to bear for childcare, adult care, and housekeeping. If not for an individual, how much costly it could have been for the government to provide child and elderly care for its citizens. Several times the issue of including unpaid jobs in GDP have been raised, and although GDP should include household work by accepting it as a sector of economy, since household provide goods and services for its members, but unfortunately this isn't the case as unpaid work is done for one's own household and the services aren't traded at the market level. In fiscal year 2018, household sector gross savings in the form of physical assets amounted to around 10% of the GDP in India, whereas net financial savings was about 6.6% of the GDP. According to United Nations, unpaid domestic work accounts for 13% of the global GDP. National Sample Survey Office, or NSSO, in 2018 said that it will be conducting a year-long household survey to measure the unpaid household work done starting from January 2019 for better understanding of how much time women spend in these unpaid jobs. Unfortunately, we could not find anything further whether the survey was conducted or not. So what can the government do in this matter? A better recognition of such work using different surveys and including the data in national policies can be of help. Several economists call economics as wrongly conceived discipline, which is narrow and partial. The contribution of women's domestic activity must be highlighted and included in GDP. Different programs encouraging people, especially men, to share and help women in household activities should be carried out. Improving technology and infrastructure to facilitate and ease the household work can be a great contribution. Basic services such as healthcare, education, and transportation should be made easily accessible. To encourage men become a helping hand, even some financial incentives depending on government's budget can be given to them that would give more free time to women. All these measures can help in creating more free time for women to go out and create better opportunities for them. Apart from the government, what can we personally do to recognize this issue? First of all, please do not say this to anyone who is taking care of household that kya kaam karte ho. It is because of this repetitive statement in the society that even women started to believe that they do nothing even after doing hours of unpaid job daily. Yes, according to a study in Uttarakhand which was published by Mountain Research and Development Journal in 2011, women in mountainous region reported they didn't do any work. Isn't it really heartbreaking how the society has made someone who works for hours believe that they don't do any work? Even women who do jobs and bring home paychecks look down upon other women, or let's say housewives, as someone deprived. Please refrain yourself from doing this and be grateful to their contribution in the society. It can be their choice as well to stay home and serve children and elders as well. We all should recognize the unpaid work, and doing small things that would help women in sharing their load would be a gesture of gratitude. How about washing dishes yourself sometimes? Or how about making them rest and you make lunch or dinner on your days off work? You will see the power of these small steps in the smile they carry when they learn that you respect and recognize their work. If you have any more information to contribute or any better ways to recognize this issue, please don't forget to leave a comment. Failure Denied pays respect and wishes lot of strength to all the women doing hours of work every day to make sure their house is a home and its members a family. Soch badlo, duniya badlo. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.